Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to change the background of Windows 11. So first click to start and then go to setting. After that click on personalizations. This is very easy and this is different theme. Okay, you can set this one, otherwise then this one you can, which you want, and this is background. So click on background. Okay, this is if you have to browse to local where it is saved in C drive, D drive, and select this. Okay, and after that click to OK. Then image will be come here. Okay, then you can also solid color, sideshow, and all options also there. Okay, and if you direct, you have to set, so select this image and right click to set default, set background image. This is very easy. Okay, but only this option only work, and this options will show only image of photos. Okay, when you click image, right click, it will show only. Thank you.